Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you would. Today we're going to look at installing some Sorbus Wine Racks. They weren't exactly designed perfectly to be used with baseboards, and I don't really like that they want you to mount them in hollow walls with hollow wall anchors, so we came up with our own way and I thought I'd share. Let's take a look. Assembling the rack per the instructions is pretty easy, but you can see if your baseboards are tall, they hit the baseboard and stop against the wall there, but then they don't even touch the wall here. And there's not enough extra to be able to move these back, so we came up with our own solution. We've got some horizontals already mounted on this one. The gap from the back in our baseboard was about 1/2 inch, so we furted out 1/4 inch here to be able to match it to a 3/4 inch piece here, because we couldn't buy these in 1/2 inch. Now I could have run them through a table saw or a planer, but we're really trying to get this done pretty quickly. We did pre-paint these, but they're not exactly the perfect color, so we're going to touch those up with the correct color as well, and we want to cover over our screw holes that I countersunk. As you can see, it's now mounted to the wall with the wood and is quite sturdy because the screws are going into studs and then these are going into the wood. They want you to put these in hollow wall anchors, and I don't really think that's going to be strong enough because 75 bottles of wine weighs quite a bit. You can see here we've already touched up. So we're going to cut large pieces of wood to go across here to get 3 more in this space. And then we'll get those affixed to the wall. And then I've got these for the baseboards, which we're just gonna brad nail to the baseboard just for some added strength. And then we'll do a time lapse showing you putting it all together. We're gonna use this stud finder by Franklin Sensors today, and let me show you why. When you put it in an empty space, it doesn't do anything, but as you move it, it lights up and it lets you clearly see where studs are. As you move it, you can see that's exactly the width of a 2x4. This is the big version, which is a bit expensive, but it's well worth it if you need to use these a lot. They have a small version too, and I'll put links to these in the description. All 4 wine racks are now mounted. You can see 3 of these, and then the original one. I tried to space these pretty evenly and got everything fairly level. Pretty happy with the results. Still some touch-up painting is going to need to be done, over tops of the heads of the screws and stuff like that, but overall, I mean, they're extremely sturdy. They're not going anywhere, and I like this so much better than relying on drywall for strength. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anything you want to add that I didn't include, such as tips, tricks, or other ways of doing it, please put that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks.